Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with some more colors from Double Dip. In my last video, I tried out the gold glitter, and today I'll be trying out Babylicious. Now, Double Dip is having a competition going on with these bingo cards. I'm going to link everything in the description box. And if you would like to know the details of this, you can find it on the link, as well as check out my last video. And you are eligible to win up to $2,000 in dip powder. So all of you who love to do your own nails, this is a great opportunity to stockpile your collection. So in this video, I'm using Babylicious, and it is a hot pink. The method I'm using, I actually learned from YouTube, and it helps you build up an apex. That way your nails are not flat. Once I get the foundation laid properly, now I'm going to work my way back to the cuticle. I'm like a smidgen away from my cuticle, so I'm going to dip it once like this, brush it off, and then get even closer to my cuticle and dip it again. And then after that, my nails come out absolutely perfect. Lastly, I'm going to come in with a clear dip that I had already in my own collection, and I'm just going to cap the nails. That way, when I file into the nail, I don't really file into the color. Then I come in with the activator and I apply it to all of the nails 2 times. Then I decided that I wanted to tie the gold into my other hand, because people always ask me why I have 2 different colors on my hands. So I was like, let me just at least tie them together. So I just added a little gold from their collection as well. And then after I applied the activator again twice and let it dry, I filed, shaped, and buffed my nails off camera, and then I came in with the top coat. So voila. I know in the color it looks a little red, but the color is definitely hot pink. So once again, Double Dip for the win. But thank y'all for watching. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Mila B out.